Director of Med Chemical Limited. In this short video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of RuleDesign. MC Pair software is accessible through a secure web browser. Once logged on, we enter the input screen here. There are several ways of getting a molecule in. Perhaps the compound is already known on our database, but what you can also do as well is do the likes of cutting and pasting from ChemDraw, which I'm quickly showing here. We paste this back in with this paste button here, the compound appears. I'm going to select a common problem we have, which is we want to improve metabolism. So I'm selecting our goal of decreased metabolism, which there are 42,000 rules. I'm going to set a tight window of pre-filtering on molecular weight and, very importantly, a substructure lock, which you enter by highlighting the parts of the molecule that you want MC pairs to modify. And what the program is going to do is take all of our rules from our database to improve metabolism and mutate the molecule. Well, there it is, submitted and running, but here's one I prepared earlier with 265 results. The easiest way to view the output is within browser here, and you can select the compounds that you like a look of. We recommend sorting on molecular weight to put the heaviest compounds to the top and then reversing it to look at some of the smaller compounds. That's not the only way of displaying the data. You could also, for example, look at some of the match pair data here. And if you know this AKT project, there's some compounds here that are remarkably similar. If not, if I went looking, the candidate drug that ended up in the clinic. Let's look at this extension here, this alcohol side chain. Well, you can look at this in more detail. These are all the metabolism results that we have for different assays. So you can work your way through these and see some of the data. But we can also help with multiple parameter optimization with our view of the data, where you can customize your view. And let's set this up to look at metabolism and the likes of hERG and solubility all at the same time. So by lining up what we call the pizza wheels here and clicking our way through the compound suggestions that RuleDesign has made to improve things, we can easily see some of the data. Again, once we've done that, we can click on the select box here to export these, as we consider these are worth making. So just in recap very quickly, we put in a molecule that's suboptimal. We asked it for ideas to improve metabolism, and it's given us sensible suggestions, and this is linked back to the match molecular pair analysis that we've done. One of the key bits as well is that you can drill back to the original compounds and data, and here's some that I prepared earlier. So in fact, that is this chemical transformation here, the extension out to this alcohol flanked with 2 methyl groups, and you can see the original compounds and data where this came from and what their measured results are, and you're free to change the units to any that you prefer and do the likes of very simple match pair plots. The last part of this is, of course, as aforementioned, you can export all of the results here, and to various file formats, including an SDF file, and you can open this in the likes of Data Warrior. So here's an example of this opened in Data Warrior with all the structures aligned and a lot of the stats data for you to look through. So there we go. I hope we've given you a little flavour of what RuleDesign is about, making sensible and giving sensible ideas from data using our rule database. Thank you very much.